I'll go up here. Now. Okay, so here's the thing. So I'm gonna do a quick cleaning. We're gonna show you exactly how to clean solar panels, the quickest way and the easiest way with your water-fed brush. Now, I'm on the last one, and what I'm gonna be doing is cleaning the top part of the frame, the sides, the bottom, and in the middle. This allows you to go quicker and easier. So here I'm going up the side here and get at that top part.
Other side.
It went over both tops. It's going over the top and the bottom. I'm getting the other sides of the panel so that I'm getting, clean parts right at the ends. I'm going over here at the end, the side. I'm gonna go all the way down, back up, twice, back over here, get on this side. And you're going over to make sure that you hit the solar panel in its entirety, but also the other solar panels on the other side. So it helps out with cleaning. Then the bottom one, you're gonna have a lot of water built up here already, just from that. So you get all that stuff down. Now, you can just 2 agitations up. And now you have properly hit every single part of that solar panel. When it dries, there's not going to be any kind of dirt left over. You're going to have a good, clean solar panel. And if you repeat that process with every one of your solar panels, you're just going to get through your job that much easier and quicker. All right.
That's some really good work there.
Well, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out and have you guys wash.
And you see he walks away very nicely. I'm gonna get off this roof. We made our money.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the videos that you're watching so you get a notification every time we drop a new video.